Hi there, Market America unfranchised owners and leaders. It's really great to get to speak with you today. You know, things are red hot and rolling everywhere in Market America around the world. And you have your regional convention coming up soon, and this is a major opportunity for you to grow. You know, I'm often asked, what is the difference between success and failure? And it's really simple. The individual who succeeds simply did what the individual who failed did not do. Well, everyone's looking for the shortcut to success, aren't they? But the only shortcut to success that I found after all these years and that I know of is to get more people to the conventions and to get yourself there. By having more people at the convention, it makes a big difference. So focus on two more people and getting two more people to this regional convention. Why? Because they get the belief and the knowledge that they need to succeed on their own. And it results in confidence and duplication. They are going to do it with you or without you because it becomes their business and they have the confidence. And as a result, you become a hopeless success because they succeed with you or without you. And there's more new developments than ever before since World Conference. And I'm going to come there personally and speak to you and your people and deliver the message. You know, everything that was delivered at World Conference, there was so many new developments, will be brought to you at the regional convention. So everybody that wasn't at the World Conference will be getting it again. We bring the World Conference closer to you. So the corporate team, along with all the top leaders, will be there to deliver the message right to your people. It's so important to get duplication in your group. And it takes too much work and time to explain everything that's already been taught at the World Conference or at this regional. It's impossible to teach them all that. It just takes too much time. So why not work smarter rather than harder and let us do the work for you? You see, our company's moving and accelerating at a pace that's faster than ever. And we're going to provide you all the information that you and your people need to grow. The new technology and developments, new products, the business building techniques, and the international expansion efforts and how to make it happen. I mean, this is a unique chance to learn from the very best people in the business, the real experts, and they're going to be right in your region and in your area talking directly to your new people. You know, the business has always been and come down to the basic five and performing the result-producing activities. And that's what we'll focus on, selling the products and showing the plan and selling the business, and leveraging events and seminars and trainings by purchasing and selling tickets. And you have to lead by example, so you got to make sure that you have your tickets and then move them to other people. Because in order to be successful, you must help others succeed. And that's the most important thing you can do to help somebody succeed, get them to the convention. So get your prospects out to this regional convention. I'll be seeing you there. It's the highest and best use of your time. Nothing's more important. That's what you should be focused on right now, getting your people to the convention. So I look forward to seeing you at the regional convention, you know, and look up at the screen for the location, time, and details. And, you know, I really do believe in you, and I want you to keep growing. And when I come there, I'm going to give you my very, very best and be talking directly to you personally about how you can become a director. So let's go out and make it happen. God bless you, and I'll see you at the top.